Hi, this is the screencast for our Slack bot. So what does Slack bot do? Our Slack bot allows developers to quickly expose their backend database tables as REST APIs, allowing them to quickly build their REST APIs essentially, and also manage the REST APIs through the use of AWS API Gateway by allowing them to set usage limits, throttling limits, the bot sort of injects routes into our Node.js server and links the endpoints created in the Node.js server with the Amazon API gateway, and also sets usage limits by talking to the AWS gateway directly. So let's take a look at the bot now. So first up, the bot requires a little bit of configuration. We just give it the credentials and the database URL, um, and also the name of the database which you want to expose through the REST API. So, okay, let's try to get something done. Call the bot and try to expose a table as a REST API. I'm going to try to expose the weapons table as a route. Alright, so I'm going to try to create a get route. Get is for just getting all the records on the table. Post is for inserting new stuff in there. Okay, so a new route has been created, and let's try to access this from Postman. Okay, so alright, so those are the lists. So those are the records in the table weapons. Okay, so now let's try to set usage limits on that. So right now I can make a bunch of calls to it. Okay, so no problem. So now I'm going to try to set a limit on the number of API calls to that. So I'm going to set that about 5 calls per day. So the limit should run out pretty quickly. And I'm going to take it to the AWS Gateway Usage Console. And yeah, so the rate has been set to 5 per day. And I'm going to try to, oh, there you see. So the limit has been exceeded already because I made a bunch of calls earlier. So let me just try to set it back to a really high value. So that's about 100,000 calls per day. And try to make another call to it again. Just give it a little bit of time. Okay, there it is. So that's how our bot works. Thank you.